Welcome back. Sean and Alice here, the real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in...
Panama City Beach.
I almost forgot. Just kidding. All right, you guys, let's go on a tour of this beautiful wraparound balcony corner unit at the Commodore, unit number 610.
Let's go.
Well, that wraps up this tour. Honey, what do they got to do if they want to see this in person?
Just call us. Really easy.
Yep, pretty easy. But if you're a little bit shy and you want to get to know us a little bit better, go ahead and click the like button, the subscribe button, watch the next video. We've got a playlist here of more videos of the Commodore and other condos all over Panama City Beach. In fact, we love making these videos, but
We pay the bill selling real estate.
so we cover all of the panhandle. Go ahead, drop us a line. We'll leave a link down below for more information on this condo if you want to see more photos or make an appointment to come view it with us in person. See you guys on the next one.
Bye for now.